Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Novatech account online on your computer. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Novatech account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And after opening your preferred browser, click on the search bar and type in the address Novatech fx.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the Novatech directly like this. But guys, let's wait for it to load properly. And over here guys, before we log into our Novatech account, if you have not yet created an account on Novatech, you can always click on the try demo account available over here. Let's close this. If you click on this try a demo account, you will be able to sign up for a Novatech account online. With that being said guys, let's sign in. To do that, at the top right corner of this page, you can see when you scroll up, there is the sign in page button available, or the sign in button available just beside the language. So let's click on sign in, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username with which you had created an account on Novatech, and that enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click on this link over here where it says the forgot username or password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your username or password. With that being said guys, let's proceed with the login. And after you have entered your username and your password, simply fill the captcha available over here for verification purposes. And with that being done, entering your username, your password, and the captcha, simply click on the sign in button available over here, and then you'll be signed in or logged into your Novatech account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Novatech account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.